Hello all. The topic is human reproductive system introduction. So I already done with the male reproductive system and female reproductive system, but once you have a look on introduction part. So that is human reproductive system. So humans are unisexual organisms. So here unisexual means single organism can produce individual gametes. So that is unisexual means here male organism produce male gametes, female organism produce female gametes. That is called unisexual. Then sexual dimorphism. So here di means two, morphism means characters. By appearance also we can guess the male and female due to the secondary sexual characters of each individual organisms. So the secondary sexual characters is responsible by the hormones. That hormones is produced by the gonads of organisms. So that is unisexual organisms, and as well as they are showing sexual dimorphism. Then we have a different type of phases in the reproductive system. The first one is gametogenesis. Name itself indicates the gametes are produced. Genesis means production. So the gametes produced by the male and female. So here male gametes produced by the spermatogenesis. So that is the production of sperm. By the process of oogenesis, female organism produce ova. So these are called as gametogenesis. So by sperm, then ova. So these are the gametes produced by the individual organisms by the process of spermatogenesis in male, oogenesis in female. That is the process of gametogenesis. Then insemination. In means inside, semination, the transfer of male gametes into the female reproductive tract, that is vagina. So already we discussed in the sperm pathway in male reproductive system. So gametogenesis, then the gametes, male gametes is transferred into the female reproductive tract, that is vagina. That is called insemination. The next step is fertilization. So fertilization occur in fallopian tube, especially in the region of ampulla. So the fertilization site region is ampulla. Then after fertilization, the zygote will form. It is in the diploid condition, that is fertilization. Then it undergoes the cleavages. Cleavages is nothing but division. Number of mitotic divisions occur in the zygote. Then they form the morula stage. Then blastula. Here also one important MCQ for NEET and EAMCET. What is the sequences of the cleavages in the reproductive system? So that is zygote, morula, blastula and gastrula. So many members confused here. MBG. Mahesh Babu Gautam, like that. Morula, blastula, gastrula. Then after cleavage, it undergoes implantation. Plantation means just like in the roots of the plant. So here also the blastocyst stage is attached to the uterus. That is called implantation, means fixation of the blastocyst in the uterus. That is called implantation. Then placentation. Placenta is formed by the uterus to maintain the embryo in the uterus. So the formation of extra embryonic membranes. Already we know extra embryonic membranes are amnion, chorion, allantois, yolk sac. So these are the extra embryonic membranes to give the nutrition, excretion or different type of functions by these extra embryonic membranes to the embryo. Then gastrulation. So here this is the one type of cleavage process. Morula, blastula, gastrula. Gastrulation. So here the formation of germ layers. So already we studied in the tissues, 3 germ layers are present. In each individual germ layers, tissues will form. After from tissues, organs will form. So the germ layers are ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. So the process is called gastrulation. Then from the gastrulation, organogenesis occur. Organogenesis means production of the organs. So formation of organs. Then paturation. Paturation means expelling out the baby from the womb of the mother. So that is called as a delivery. Expelling of fully formed fetus or embryo from the mother. So that is the paturation. So these all process occurring in a period that is called gestation period. The embryonic development from fertilization to the paturation, that period is called gestation period. So it will take 280 days or 9 months in the human. So these all are the sequences, all are the phases of the human reproductive system. You have to remember the phases sequence and also cleavages sequence. So this is introduction about the human reproductive system. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.